No, I came here today to meet Major Archbishop Father Tattil and inform him about the assurances given by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji when I met him yesterday, and our Home Minister when I met and discussed the situation regarding the two nuns in Chhattisgarh and the arrest in Chhattisgarh. I told him that both our leadership, our Prime Minister and our Home Minister, are seized of the matter and have given clear assurances that justice will be done at the earliest and the nuns will be released on bail. I conveyed all the messages from our Prime Minister and the Home Minister to both of them. They are, of course, very, very concerned and worried about this incident. They are very concerned about the safety of the two nuns who are there. And I explained to them how Chhattisgarh and states like Chhattisgarh are very, very sensitive states, and they have laws and rules that are aimed at preventing conversion and trafficking, and that unfortunately that the two nuns seem to have not complied with some of the aspects of the private placement agencies regulation bill, which required them to upload data on the portal. Regardless, the party and the government of India and the state government are working together to ensure that they are released at the earliest on bail.
The Congress party is protesting in Kerala. I think Chhattisgarh there is no protest.
No, the Congress party, for the Congress party, if they meet a person who is dying of thirst in a desert, the first thing the Congress party will do is to have a press conference and blame the BJP for it. They will not feed the thirsty person water. This is the Congress party's politics. For them, everything is about politics. Everything is about scoring points. For us, since 5 days ago when the church reached out to us and asked for our help, we are sincerely helping them. We are sincerely helping the nuns. We are sincerely helping the churches who the nuns belong to. And we are doing our best to ensure justice is done. The Congress party's theatrics and drama yesterday was one of the main reasons for all the chaos and confusion outside the court yesterday, the Sessions Court yesterday, and the fact that the procedure for bail could not go through. So I would only appeal to the Congress party, please focus on the welfare of the nuns. Let us work together to get them released. And then you can do all the political drama that you want. But before that, don't do things that will compromise their safety and compromise the effort that we are putting in to give them justice.
The Vishwa Hindu Parishad is strongly opposing the nuns and their activities in Chhattisgarh.
No, look, I have no comment to make on that. They have their views and they are entitled to their views. They are organizations. And please remember that in states like Chhattisgarh, trafficking and conversion are not recent issues. The anti-conversion law was passed in 1967 by the then Madhya Pradesh government. There was no BJP in the scene then. The Private Placement Agencies Act regulation bill was passed in 2013. These are laws that are existing in Chhattisgarh. So the laws will be enforced. And however, that is not the issue of the debate today. The issue is how do we make sure that the nuns get bail quickly and swiftly, and that so that the court process can continue and the issue is resolved.
So your message is clear. BJP is with the nuns and the Christian.
No, the BJP is with every Malayali, regardless of their community, their caste, their religion. Whenever there is a Malayali in trouble, the BJP Kerala will work very, very hard with me and with all the Karyakartas of BJP. We will do our best to help any and every Malayali that is faced with some type of problem or crisis or challenge. We are here to serve the people of Kerala and the Malayalis of Kerala, and we will do that regardless of who they are.